Some people will use a symbolism of the relationship of God to the universe. God is, say, brilliant light, only somehow veiled, hiding underneath all these forms that you see as you look around.
Today is the first day of the trip, and I'm sitting at home waiting for friends. This is the first trip for me in 1 year, and was not able to go because of current situation, as you all know. And I do not know where we are going. We are supposed to go somewhere in Himachal Pradesh, but through Chandigarh. But tomorrow is so-called Bharat Bandh, and protests are going on. So there is a dicey situation right there, and so we are not taking the Haryana route, and we are taking the Uttarakhand route. And this is completely a random route, completely random trip for me, and let's see what happens. Let's see.
I have reached Narkanda, and it was a hurdle-free, smooth journey. And we consulted a journalist, and he said that there's no problem, there's no hindrance in entering the Shimla or Himachal Pradesh. So we took the eastern peripheral to reach Chandigarh. Then we took direct road to Shimla, and then we reached Narkanda. We had started at 10 p.m. and we reached here at 7 a.m. and it was a beautiful sunrise we saw, and then we slept for 4 hours, and now it's around 12, and we plan to go for a sightseeing activities and other activities. We will see where to go. Okay, let's see the view here. This is our room from the view. The view is from the room.
नेटवर्क नहीं था, और क्योंकि आज मैं पहुंच गया हूँ चांगला पास पे, और मम्मी देखो वहाँ पे कितनी सारी बर्फ है, चारों तरफ बहुत सारे पहाड़ है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल जगह है, और हम लोग
This is our
800 फीट
room.
2 दिन से कोई नेटवर्क नहीं आया। मैं ले पहुंच के आपको कॉल करूंगा, और वो जो सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन है उसे पक्का से दबा देना, मतलब एकदम पक्का से, अभी का अभी।
Of the Muslims. Nothing could be brighter. 10,000 suns couldn't be brighter. They don't blow your eyes out. But it is actually, see, the source of all light is in the eye. You, in invoke light out of the universe.
In the day one, in the evening, we went to Hatu Peak, and it was a great trek. We had very series of adventure there, and we saw a lot of snow also there, and it was a nice trek. But the most exciting part was day two. There we went to Jalori Pass. There is Raghupur Fort trek. So there is no defined path. There is only you have to find your own path. So we started off late, and we started at 3 p.m. and reached there at 5 p.m. There was a lot of snow, and we were shivering there. And then when we were coming back, it was dark, and we lost our path, and we were very in a conundrum situation, and we were not able to decide which way to go, because every way was looking like it will lead to nowhere. And when also batteries were also draining, so we went ahead, and at last we found the path, and in at last we reached at where our car was parked at 7 p.m. So it was a life-threatening experience, because there was also a leopard and tendua and bhalu also there in the night. And though we didn't encounter it, but it is very common there. And so but we had a great time, because what doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. And we were stronger after that trek. So that was a great trek.
Of the cosmos. Nothing could be brighter. 10,000 suns couldn't be brighter. They don't blow your eyes out. But it is actually, see, the source of all light is in the eye. You invoke light out of the universe.